Hello everyone, welcome back to Health and Fitness University. Today we're diving into a powerhouse of a salad. That's a lot more than just greens. It's perfect for those whose fitness routines demand a protein-rich diet, or anyone looking to boost their protein intake with something deliciously nutritious. Now, what makes this salad a protein powerhouse? We're talking about grilled chicken breast, boiled eggs, chickpeas, quinoa, and a variety of fresh greens. Each ingredient is a rich source of protein and is also packed with essential vitamins and minerals. How do we bring this all together? We start by grilling the chicken until it's juicy and tender and boiling the eggs to perfection. Simultaneously, we cook up some quinoa and rinse our chickpeas. These plant-based proteins add not just to the nutrient profile, but also the texture of our salad. And of course, we chop up some fresh greens like spinach, kale, and arugula for our salad base. Then comes the fun part, assembling our salad. We layer our greens followed by the quinoa, chickpeas, sliced chicken and chopped eggs, and for that extra crunch and flavor, we add some sliced almonds and creamy slices of avocado. But wait! No salad is complete without a dressing. We're making a simple yet zesty olive oil and lemon vinaigrette. All it takes is whisking together some olive oil, lemon juice, a bit of mustard, salt and pepper. Drizzle this over your salad for that tangy kick. And now for the best part, tasting this protein-packed delight. Each ingredient contributes to the overall flavor and texture, making it a satisfying and nutritious meal. Remember, this salad is not just about satiating your hunger, but also about keeping up with your protein needs. And the best part, you can always play around with the ingredients to suit your taste. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to show some love, like, share and subscribe for more healthy and tasty recipes. Until next time, keep eating smart.